Hallo daar. Welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series. This series offers the ultimate beginner's course in learning Afrikaans. Last time we did the alphabet. This time we will do the voornaamwoorde, pronouns. For early access to our videos, worksheets and their answers, or just to support us, please visit our Patreon. Les 5. Voornaamwoorde, pronouns. We will be covering two types of voornaamwoorde, persoonlike en besitlike voornaamwoorde, personal and possessive pronouns. The first type of pronoun is the personal pronoun, persoonlike voornaamwoord. The persoonlike voornaamwoord can be defined as the replacement of a noun, a selfstandige naamwoord, usually a name. This is done to avoid unnecessary repetition. Let's look at how the persoonlike voornaamwoord can occur in a sentence. A simple sentence consists of a subject, object and verb. This is the same in Afrikaans. The persoonlike voornaamwoord changes depending on if it is as the subject or the object of the sentence. The subject is the who of the sentence. Who is doing the action? This is the same as in English. Look at the sentence. He kicks the ball. In this sentence, the persoonlike voornaamwoord, personal pronoun, is he. Let's look at all the singular persoonlike voornaamwoorde. First, if referring to yourself, you use ek. Ek. When you refer to someone else, make use of jy. Jy. When it is a male, you use hy. Hy. When it is a female, use sy. Sy. Let's see how they occur in sentences. Ek lees die boek. I read the book. Jy luister na musiek. He listens to music. Hy skop die bal. He kicks the ball. Sy eet 'n appel. She eats an apple. Now let's go through the plural persoonlike voornaamwoorde. When it is yourself and others, it's ons. Ons. When it is directed to others, julle. Julle. And when it is indirect towards others, you say hulle. Hulle. Let's see these words in sentences. Ons kyk die fliek. We watch the movie. Julle eet aandete. You eat dinner. Hulle speel rugby. They play rugby. Let's see how the persoonlike voorname look when they are the object in a sentence. When it is yourself, my. My. When it is someone else, jou. Jou. When it is a male, sy. Sy. When it is a female, haar. Haar. It is important not to get confused between the male pronoun as an object and the female pronoun as a subject, as both are sy. Look at the sentence structure to determine which one should be used. Remember the English pronouns for females as they are similar to Afrikaans. Sy, she, haar, her. It is the male that differs. Hy, he, sy, his. Here are some sentences again. Ek eet my kos. I eat my food. Jy luister na jou musiek. You listen to your music. Hy skop die bal. He kicks his ball. Sy lees haar boek. She reads her book. Sometimes an alternative for referring to a male is used. Hom. Hom. Ek groet hom. I greet him. For the plural of voornaamwoorde as part of the object, ons remains ons. Ons, julle en hulle also remain the same. However, sometimes they are shortened to just jul or hul. This occurs when julle or hulle has already been used in the sentence. Let's see it as it is used in sentences. Ons eet ons kos. Julle luister na jul musiek. Notice how julle is shortened. Hulle skop hul bal. Next, the besitlike voornaamwoorde, the possessive pronouns. The singular voornaamwoorde we have already covered, only slightly changes when they are besitlik, possessive. My becomes myne, haar, hare, sy, syne. The plural gains the sin. Ons, ons sin. Julle, julle sin. Hulle, hulle sin. For all these words you can ask the question, who owns that? Wie se bal is dit? Who owns that ball? Dit is syne. It is his. Wie se huis is dit? Whose house is that? Dit is hulle sin. It is theirs. One other voornaamwoord exists, and that is the u. U is used as a formal form and less common, but can be used in formal situations to address any gender and any amount of people, singular or plural. For example, dit is u tas, that is your bag. U eet die kos. You eat the food. Daardie boeke is u sin. Those books are yours. Notice the besitlike voornaamwoord works the same as the plural. Now you should have a decent understanding of how the Afrikaans voornaamwoorde work, both the persoonlike and the besitlike. It is very similar to English, with only a few new rules. If you wish to test yourself, you can visit our Patreon for the worksheets with the answers. To better learn, make sure to watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like this video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or question can be commented below. Bye.